Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a long awaited video, even for me, because I've been waiting on my dining room to be finished for since I got here. I've been waiting on at least one room to be finished inside, which I guess you can count the balcony, but no, I needed, for my mind's sake, I needed a room to be finished, completed, so I can check it off. Finally, I'm looking at my completely finished dining room. I want to say before we get into the video, because I don't mention this in the video, I don't think I do, my dining table I actually ordered before I even started filming everything for this video, so that's not in the video, but I will still link it as well as everything else in this video down in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. But I think I don't have anything else to say other than make sure that you subscribe before we get into this, and thumbs up this video if you like these home decor, decorating, all that kind of video. If you want to see how my dining room turns out, then just keep on watching. Hello guys, it is August 4th, 2020. I am purchasing the first thing. I'm going to order the same pampas grass that I had in my bathroom at my parents' house that's in my second bathroom. Oh no, so they are sold out right now and it won't ship out until September. Okay, let me shop around and see if there's any other place where I like the pampas grass, can get it sooner. So I'm gonna go ahead and order it. That will push back this video. I guess it's fine, but I should have known, because when I ordered those from this exact same brand, it has to be in season. Just placed the order. Hi guys, so I don't know how many days it's been, but it is August 10th. Me and my mom are at Ikea, and I don't think I'm ever gonna decide on dining chairs, so I am pulling the plug and I'm gonna go with these chairs right here that I'm about to show you guys. I have looked countless hours basically online for the right chairs and I really can't find them, so I'm still gonna be looking or whatever, and if I see something better maybe in a year, then I'll upgrade the chairs and get something different. But this is kind of like the vibe that I'm going for. I'm going for Scandinavian style decor. So this is the chair, and actually on camera it's coming across more like a white wood, but it is like a really light wood as opposed to just white. It was between this chair, which is called the Elizabeth chair, between this one and this chair right here. This is the, I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm gonna go with this chair over here because it's cheaper and it still gives the same vibe. Finally got some dining chairs. Woohoo! So you guys, I have better quality now. I have my vlog camera, but just got back and I'm about to, my birthday was last Saturday, or this past Saturday, so it's still up, but I'm about to put together these chairs, or at least one, and then we'll see how that goes, and then I'll put together another one and we'll see how that goes, and maybe all four get put together today, who knows. This is all four of the chairs. Let's get started. All right, you guys, I just finished the chairs. It looks so much better. 4 months into my place, finally have dining chairs. Ding, ding, ding. All right, you guys, today is the big day. So yesterday you guys saw that I got the dining chairs, put them together. Today is the 11th, and I'm actually going to be placing the order for wall piece that I'm going to have and the bench bouquet thing. The bench is a lot of money. I've been dreading it kind of all day. Not really dreading it, but just not looking forward to spending that much money on a bench. It's the perfect bench for the style that I want. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the plug. It is 48 inches and it's going to go on that wall, one that I'm facing. It's 15 inches wide, so the table might need to come like a hair this way, but it's gonna be perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and place the order for this. Oh my goodness, shipping is $75, you guys. As if the bench wasn't expensive enough. That makes it $700. Please watch the ads on this video. Which, no, I don't have to be buying this. This is my choice, so all for the sake of cute decor. I guess I don't even know anymore. Just placed the order. I think it said about 10 days. Holy sh, a spider. You guys, where did that come from? Okay, yeah, it says 6 to 12 business days. It says I'll do my best to meet shipping estimates, but can I guarantee them? I'm cool with that because Etsy, it's from Etsy, and you guys know Etsy is like handmade, self-owned. You guys know what I'm talking about. So I'm cool with that. Now we're going to place the order for the print that is gonna go on the wall. And I always see Desenio on like bloggers stuff. So I went on Desenio and I found a print last night. So we're gonna place the order because I wanted something like to make sure that it filled up this whole wall. Basically it was like a statement, you know, and I wanted landscape. So, and like I told you guys in Ikea, I want Scandinavian style decor, Scandinavian / minimal decor, like not too much but still decorated, you know. Oh wait, you know what, let me see if I can find a discount code somewhere. After like 10 minutes of looking, I found one that just took 10% off, but you know, something is better than nothing. So now let me put in my info. Yay. And now the last thing is for the bouquet. So you guys saw that I ordered the Pampas grass, and that's not coming until September, but I already have that exact same Pampas grass in my bathroom, so I'm just going to move that Pampas grass in here, and then when the other ones come, I'll move those in back into the bathroom. I am going to go ahead and get the other pieces. Found this website called Afloral. I think it's pretty popular because I've seen it a lot. Let me get my thoughts together. I screenshotted a few things that I wanted. I'll of course link everything that I ordered in this video down in the description box, so you guys make sure you check that out. Actually, what I'm doing might even be a pop of boho. There's just so much styles that I kind of like, and I'm just marrying them together. Final shopping bag. We have an order of the Natural Sun Palm Leaf, dried star flower, textured natural tan pampas grass. Now, you guys probably like, why are you buying a second thing of pampas grass? I think it's gonna be good to have like different versions of pampas grass. Based on the photo of these, I think these are gonna be less full than the ones that I'm gonna have in the vase in the corner. And then we're also getting the whitewashed natural sun palms. All right, you guys, we got that stuff ordered. So after probably a total of 4 hours each time I've sat down to look for a vase, I finally found a vase from Z Gallery, and it's the perfect height because I wanted a large vase, at least over 4 feet tall for this corner. It is 52 inches tall and it's actually on sale, so we're gonna get it. It's pretty inexpensive, honestly. Most vases are way more expensive than this. I'm kind of wondering if it's going to look all right once I get it. Shipping is 11 bucks. It should be everything, but once I decorate everything, I'll be able to really see if I need to add anything. But I'm excited. It has been 4 months of me here, and I just got dining chairs. It is August 17th. My Desenio print and frame is here now. Got delivered like last week, and it's Monday, and this is just now delivering. I didn't get any email or anything like that that said it was going to ship separately, but it ended up getting here separately. Now, as far as the print, it is not going to go. It wasn't as warm as the photo is online. Basically, it seemed like the photo online is a little more saturated versus like a grayish nude family kind of color. It's kind of hard to describe. And then down here, we just have some decor pieces. Got some stuff from Home Goods that's gonna go on the bench, as well as something from Target that's gonna go on there, and then some coffee table books that'll also go on there. So that's the only update for now. Okay, you guys, it is, I think, the 20th, and my vase, dried flowers and pampas grass and stuff like that all came in. So I'm gonna set up that section of my dining room now. I'm super excited. My mom is actually here because she wanted to see. So she's gonna film a little bit of like the unboxing. Okay, so this is the vase. Hopefully everything fits in there, but this right here is all like the dried flowers that I was telling you guys that I ordered from Afloral. So this is what we came up with for the arrangements. We got some little pampas grass there and a few things of wheat, and then the big pampas grass set I got from Etsy, and these are the ones that was already here. This is my background. But now we're actually going to look at a piece that I did not share with you guys because my mom actually found it. It's like a jute tassel piece, and instead of an art piece, the art piece that I was gonna use was too cool tone. This is what we got instead. It's going to go above the bench that's gonna go over here whenever the bench comes in the mail. Okay, now for the review. So freaking cool. I'm sure you guys say good job mom in the comments. Can you get it off? How cool. These portions are still kind of flared out because of like transit, because it was like rolled up together. Finally it's up though. Hopefully it stays up there. But it's in there with anchors. It just, I don't know, it was kind of confusing. So now all we're waiting for is the bench that will go here, and then we'll decorate it all cute and stuff. Okay, so this is probably the piece that I'm most proud of on this entire dining room decoration slash makeover, and I don't talk about it at all, which is so strange. I found this photo that I'm kind of getting inspiration from that was on Pinterest. I'll pop it up on the screen. Oh, there it is. So that's the inspo, and I just decided to create that same thing, and my dad was kind of my assistant throughout it. I didn't end up using the jute wall hanging for my dining room makeover because it was a little too yellow tone, so moved it to my bedroom. Now my bedroom is gonna kind of have those vibes. The bench finally arrived, which I'm so excited. It's the second to last thing, so we're almost there. This has literally been so long in the making. I am getting so antsy. You guys, the last thing just got delivered for the dining room makeover. So let's open it up. It's a bar cart that I told you guys I ordered. I think I told you guys, I don't really know. All right, so this is the last thing. We just put up this curtain rod. It probably took a long time. Well, actually my dad did all the screwing and stuff, but yeah, this was the last thing. So now we're just putting the final touches on the dining room. Oh my god, you guys, I am looking at my dining room and I am just so freaking excited to share it with you guys. Just put on the finishing touches of the room, the decor pieces, added some stuff to the bar carts, and I am so excited. Let's get into it. I'm going to reveal it in 3, 2, 1. You guys, are you as excited as I am about having a finished dining room? I am so excited that I'm now able to film in here, like on my Instagram story, and just whatever, be able to show this to you guys. Seems like I've been hiding it for like many months, but it's only been about like 2 months, I guess you could say. But I'm so excited. I want to give a huge shout out to my mom, because my mom is honestly, all my ideas she takes to the next level when it comes to decorating. So I purchased everything and I had like a vision, but it was hard for me to put my vision to life, you know, and she was the mastermind on styling the different things in this room. So I am so grateful for her. This video wouldn't even be possible if it wasn't for her. So please give her some love down in the comments and thank mom for helping out on this dining room makeover. Thank you guys so much for the support on all of my videos. I truly appreciate it. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave and thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.